So let us continue the basis of charge. So before break, we did good analysis of section number 4, basis of charge. So repeat the answer. What is the basis of charge of income tax? Income tax shall be charged for any assessment year in respect of total income of previous year of every person at the rates prescribed by in the annual finance act relevant to that assessment year. Okay, this is what we discussed. So now we need to understand certain definitions. 4 definitions I already said. What are the 4 definitions? Assessment year, previous year, person, total income, finance act. Total income definition we will discuss separately, as I already said. So we will be understanding assessment year, previous year, person and finance act. Shall we? Yes, let us begin. Please keep the heading definitions. Same in the basis of charge. After that, write down point 4, topic 4. Write down definitions. Previous year, section 3. If you remember, we already said about this section number yesterday. So previous year, section 3. Please see here once. Say this. Previous year defined. For the purposes of this act. For the purposes of this act. Previous year means. When I use the word means in the definition, only that can be possible of being entering into it. For the purposes of this act, Income Tax Act, previous year means financial year. That's the first point. Previous year is a financial year starts from 1st of April of year, continues up to 31st March of next year. Okay, continue. For the purposes of this act, previous year means financial year. Which financial year? Immediately preceding the assessment year. That's why what we said about assessment year, immediate consecutive is called as assessment. Immediate preceding is called as previous year. Why assessment year is called as assessment year? Because income is assessed to tax in that year. Assessed to tax. Why previous year is called as previous year? For that previous year only, the calculations are made in the assessment year. So 2 years are there. Number 1, previous year. Number 2, previous year is the year in which the income is earned or accrued, and assessment year is the year in which the tax is paid or charged. Okay. So for the purposes of this act, previous year means the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. Next. Provided that. Whenever provided that comes? Proviso. Provided that in case of a business or profession newly set up or source of income newly coming into existence in the said financial year, the previous year shall be the period beginning with the date of setting up of business or profession, or as the case may be, the date on which the source of income newly comes into existence and ending with the said financial year. Sir, what is this? We will explain. First, read this part of the section. completed? First point. Previous year term is the same, different for every chapter of income tax. How do you know? This act, complete act, wherever the word previous year comes, same definition. Means the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. This has exceptions. Okay? This has exceptions. Okay? What are those exceptions? Also we are going to read in the today's session only. Those sections are 172, 174, 175, 176, like that sections will come. Those sections we are going to read, understand and complete in the today's class. Okay? Before going into that, everyone understood the meaning of a previous year clearly? Yeah? Previous year is a calendar year or a financial year? Calendar year, financial year? Immediately preceding which year? Okay. Now, forget about proviso. Let us read assessment year first. Then we will again come back to the proviso and complete all put together. Okay. Please see here. We are now going to read the definition of assessment year. It starts with Yena. It will be in the beginning. 9. Start. What is assessment year? Assessment year means a period of 12 months. Commencing means beginning on first day of April every year. First day of April? Every year. Okay. That means technically he also wanted to tell which year? Financial year. So 12 months period. Commencing on? First day. First day of what? April. Every year. So that's called as which year? Assessment year. Previous one is called as a previous year. Okay. So 2 definitions we completed. Tell me all the 2 definitions. Previous year, assessment year. What is assessment year? Assessment year includes a, means a. What do you mean by this? Only this is a pre-assessment year. There cannot be an alternative assessment year. Assessment year will be made up of how many months? 12 months. How many months? 12 months. Okay. Now I will ask one small question for you. Why they did not use the word financial year here? They can also use like that. Na? How the definition can be? Assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing, like that. Instead of using that, assessment year means a financial year. Like that they can tell. Na? Assessment year is the period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April every year. Instead of saying like that, assessment year means the financial year. Like that they can tell. Na? Why they did not tell? Or they can tell like this, assessment year is a year succeeding, immediately succeeding the previous year. Like that also they can tell. Why they did not tell? Think, yeah? Did you understand question first? Instead of doing like that, they can tell assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing on first day of April every year. Instead of using like this, they can use like this. Assessment year means, assessment year means, okay, assessment year means what to say, a year immediately succeeding the previous year. Or they can tell assessment year is a financial year. They can also tell like that or not? Tell. That will be first day of April means what? 12 months from first day of April will become automatically March 31st. Essentially, it's a financial year. See, reason I will tell you. If I use the word assessment year means a year succeeding the previous year, if I use like that, there is a small problem in that. Previous year is a calendar year, financial year? Loudly. Period of how many months? Wrong answer. If a business source or a new source is set up only for a part of the year, that part of the year only will become a previous year. That's why the proviso came. Confused, na? See here. That's why I did not tell about proviso before. See here. See section number 3. In case of a business or profession newly set up, or a source of income newly coming into existence in the said financial year, the previous year shall be period beginning with the date of setting up of that business or profession, not from 1st of April. Hey, listening? For example, I qualified my CA in the year 2012. Jan 4th 2013, I started my teaching. Jan 4th 2013. Now you tell, I will listen. I am the classic example for this. Jan 4th 2013 means it comes under which financial year? 13-14 or 12-13? Loudly, 12-13. Okay. 12-13 is my previous year, correct? Answer. 12-13 is my previous year. When it started, 12-13 will start on which date? 1st April 2012. Wrong. My business day came on 4th January means, how come year will start for me from the 1st April of 2012? My previous year will be 4th January 2013 to 31st March 2013. That is my first financial year. Listening? So tell me, my first financial year is my previous year. So my first previous year will be? My first previous year will be made up of 12 months period or only 3 months period? Therefore, such controversies will come. Therefore, they clearly said assessment year ki like previous year, 3 months or 4 months can't be there. Assessment year is full 12 months. Do you understand my point or not? For example, if I tell assessment year is a year, succeeding previous year means what impression people will get? Oh, like a previous year, here also there is a chance of? Here also there is a chance of part year. No, assessment year means full 12 months period. Like previous year, there is no concept of part of a year. In order not to get that wrong impression, they clearly said in the definition that assessment year must be a period of 12 months. Must be a period of? Okay. Now question number 2, sir. Assessment year means a financial year. Like that they can explain. Now, why they did not explain? 12 months from 1st April means 31st March it will end. Hello. Tell me. Every assessment year is a financial year, correct? Think. Every assessment year is a financial year. Every financial year is an assessment year. That's why they did not use like that. Financial year can also be a previous year also. I understood the point or not, why they did not do. If I use the word A is B, B is also A, reverse. If I tell assessment year means a financial year, then what also will happen? Financial year means an assessment year. Every financial year is assessment year. That's why they did not write like that. Do you understand the point or not? That lawmaker, once they write in the Bail Act, you should understand why rather than concentrating on what. What graduation students also will do. Professional students will target on why it is written like that in the Bail Act. So tell me, understood the definition? Define what is a previous year. Previous year definition, define. Previous year for the purposes of this act means financial year immediately preceding assessment year. What is assessment year? Assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing on 1st of April every year. Very good. Can I write like assessment year means? Assessment year means what to say? I can write like that. Assessment year means a year immediately succeeding previous year. Can I write like that? No, because previous year may not be 12 months. Previous year. Then people, what impression they will get? Okay, like previous year, this also may have a part of the year. Wrong impression. Therefore, they did not tell. Can I write like this? Assessment year means a financial year. You cannot write because reverse also will apply then. What also will apply? Financial year means a assessment year. All financial years are assessment years. Financial year can be assessment or even previous. Every assessment year is a financial year, but every financial year is not an assessment year. That's the reason why they have written like that. Understood the point clearly? Everyone in the class, write the notes. Completed previous year definition. What is the next definition to write? Keep the heading. Shall we? Tell the definition and write. Assessment year means a period of 12 months commencing on 1st of April every year. Assessment year means a period of 12 months commencing on 1st of April every year. If you are thorough up to here, you will go to the next one. Clear up to here? Next, interpretations, which is the most important thing in all our classes. The Lana, FM, Data. First thing is interpretation, understanding how it is made. Okay. So anyway, clarity came. What is the significance of previous year and assessment year? Income is earned in previous year. Taxable liability will come in assessment year. Return will be filed in assessment year. Income earned in previous year. Return filed in assessment year. Assessment is done in assessment year. Chargeability is made in assessment year. And only one event happens in previous year. Income earned. Every other thing will happen in the assessment year. But TDS charge is previous year and TDS charge will be there. But whether this TDS is in excess of or in the deficit will be seen in the next year, assessment year. Understood? All those we will see in different chapters. No problem. But basics you should understand clearly. What is a previous year? What is a assessment year? So up to what we completed? Definitions. Previous year completed. Assessment year completed. Correct? Below that write down interpretation notes. Even more important in our class. Please keep the heading. Not fifth point. Within that only interpretation notes. Okay? Write down. Interpretation notes. Point number 1. Previous year is the year in which income is earned. Write down. Okay? All SSEs shall follow a uniform previous year. And assessment year. Uniform previous year and assessment year. Okay? Sir, what is the meaning of the third interpretation line? All SSC shall follow uniform previous year or assessment year means what? Listen. One thing is clear. Normally, if you don't start any new business or new source, for everyone, previous year is a financial year. I'm talking to you. Normally, previous year is a financial year. Normally, if a new source comes, with respect to the new source, previous year may change. But normally, previous year means financial year. Listen, the main point starts now. I am Mr. A, you are B, another one C. I will maintain my books of accounts. I will maintain my books of accounts starting from 1st October ending with the 30th of September. I maintain my books like that. Clear? Huh? Who will stop me? No one will stop me. Do you know or not? I don't know. Individuals can prepare their books of accounts from any period to any period. It need not be financial year. It should be 12 months period, that's it. Do you understand what I said? Yes, companies, there is an obligation because there is a section called as section number 128. Which section? As per section number 128, what Companies Act says, every company shall prepare and keep its books of accounts at its register office for every business, including its branches or branches. Okay, for with respect to every financial year, and the book shall be kept on double entry system of accounting by following the accrual basis of accounting. This is what said in section number 128, subsection 1, Companies Act. Because of section 128, you must maintain for a financial year. Mr. A is not a company, na? Who is Mr. A? Individual. Individually, there is no law saying that you should maintain books only for financial. There is no such concept. Means, can I maintain books in different order or not? Can I maintain my books from my birth month to next year? For example, my birth month is August. Okay. I will maintain books from 1st August to 31st July. Individual. Cannot? Loudly. Cannot. Cannot. Accordingly, I wanted to pay tax. Cannot. You maintain books in whatever format you want, but payment should be made only for the financial year revenues. Confusing, na? I will give example for that. For that only this Bhagavad Gita is there with us today. Because on that there is no questions in your study material. Do you understand? About that there is no questions in your question. For that no booklet questions are there on that. But this Bhagavad Gita will have everything. So if you do this properly, you can do any question that comes in any examination relating to taxation. Sorry, I will ask a question first. Tell. Point number 1. I will prepare my books of accounts starting from 1st of August, ending with the next year, 31st July. That is my accounting year. Listening, huh? I will prepare my P&L balance sheet according to those 12 months period. For an individual, that is valid. No one will stop you. You prepare like that. But taxation point of view, when it comes, government will not entertain that. Normally, for your accounting purposes, for your understanding of your finances, you do whatever you want. I will not interfere. But when it comes to income tax point of view, we will not entertain alternative. Uniform previous year, uniform assessment year for everyone. Kaushik Mukesh will follow from August to July. She will follow from September to August. He will follow from Jan to December. I will not allow. Listening? Yes, sir, more we can understand only if you do some numerical illustrations. For that, this Bhagavad Gita will help us in doing so. Please keep the heading illustration. Shall we? First I will tell what is the subject matter of this question. Okay? Hello? Yes, will you listen? Yes, see, for the assessment year 25-26, when I am reading the question, understand. Anyway, I will again summarize and write it in the notes. But have a hearing habit, listening habit. Listen. For the assessment year 25-26, for the income earned by X Limited during the previous year 24-25, during the previous year 24-25 means 1st April 24 to 31st March 25 is chargeable to tax. It is however not necessary that X Limited should maintain books on the basis of financial year. I can prepare my books on any basis, but tax payment will be made only on financial year basis. Very good. It is not necessary that X should close the books of accounts on 31st March. X Limited may maintain books of accounts on any basis for any other. But for the purposes of income tax, income of the previous year 24-25 is taxable for the assessment year. As a first comment understood, everyone? Yes, comment understood? Yes, what I said, again they said the same. What they said? You prepare your books of accounts in any format you want. You die. No one care. But when it comes to payment of income tax, I will follow only financial year revenue. I will give one example for you. You tell. See there. Normal rough example, not this. Normal rough example I will give. I am following a financial year starting from 1st of August to 31st July and 24 to 25. Say example. I earned 12 lakh rupees. How much? 12 lakh rupees. Now, for the assessment year 25-26, I will pay tax on this 12 lakh. Right or wrong? First observation, mind presence in class. Start again. When I started my financial year? My financial year. Ending on? During this period, how much revenue I made, income I made? Very good. For 25-26 and assessment year, I wanted to pay tax on this 12 lakh as per the rates applicable. Valid or not valid? Not valid because you are assessing to the tax an income which does not belong to the 12 months period starting from 1st April. Are you listening? So what I need to do? What I need to do is before August, April, May, June, July, 4 months I want. Hello? And don't consider April, May, June, July of this month also, this year also. That balance I need to take and pay the tax. Did you understand? Yes, everyone? Yes, shall I give another example? Will you do? Orally you tell. I am following a financial year starting from 1st February to 31st Jan. Okay? During this period I earned 50 lakhs. Okay? What you will do? What you will do? 24, 25. Okay? So I have assessment here will be 25 and 26. Now I wanted to pay tax in the assessment year 25, 26 on 50 lakhs. Asal first valid or not valid? Not valid. Why not valid? This 50 lakhs is not the income of proper financial year of 12 months starting from 1st of April. First what I need to do? You are considering from which month? February month 2024. First thing, don't consider February. Don't consider March. Start from April. You are ending with what? Don't consider only up to Jan. Consider also February and March. Then you have to pay the tax on that. Hello? What do you understand from this? You maintain books of accounts in any format you want. But tax payment should be? That is the meaning of this statement called as uniform. Understood the point clearly? Than this, there is one super duper example here. Let us do that. You will get a full clarity. Shall we do? Yes, sir. Write down illustration. Let me first write down the example as it is. Write down. Accounting year. Income as per books. Quarterly breakup of income. Quarterly breakup of income. Maintain the notes neat and clean with all the points, whatever I am writing. Please don't summarize. Jan to March, April to December. First prepare the schedule like this. For the accounting year 23, 24 and 25. Income as per the books, rupees 60,000, 70,000, 90,000. Write down. Copy down the question. So all SSCs shall follow uniform previous year and assessment year. Have you completed writing the question?
Yes, sir.
Now you will tell the answer. Try. Don't do any calculations. Just see there and tell me observation of the question now. If question comes like this in exam, how you have to react to the answer? See, what is the way in which I am preparing my books of accounts? Calendar year. That's why they call 23, 24, 25. Nothing is said na calendar year, obviously. Listening? Yes, calendar year starts from 1st January, ending on? But I don't want that. Na? What I want? What I want? 1st April and next year, March. Correct? That's why they have given Jan to March of next year. Listening? Jan to March. Next, 42,000 is from April to December. Now answer to my question clearly. In this accounting year, starting from January to December, starting from December 2023 year, how much is the income as per the books? 60,000. Huh? 60,000. Loudly. 60,000. In this 60,000, 18,000 came between Jan and March. 42,000 came between April, December. April? December. Very good. Now you please answer my question. What will be the previous year income of 23-24? Previous year income of? 23-24. Previous year 23-24 starts on? Answer. 1st April 2023. 1st April? 2023. And from here it will start. Correct? Answer. Yes, up to December, up to March. Add also this. Hey, understood? Yes, tell me, 42,000 plus 26,000. Why 26,000? This is between Jan, March of 2024, my financial year as per income tax. Yes, you prepare books in whatever way you want, but tax payment will be only as per financial year policy. Everyone understood? Yes, now you will tell what will be my assessable income for taxation for the financial year, for the previous year 24-25. 24-25. 24-25. 24-25 starts on 1st April 2024. So from here it will start 44,000. Again it will end not on December, na? It will end when? March 2025. March 2025, what is the revenue? 21,000. 44,000 plus 21,000. Tell me how much totally? That's it. This is how you need to calculate the income for assessing to the income tax. Hello, everyone? Understood the meaning of uniform previous year now? So you prepare books of accounts in whatever way you want, but tax payment will be only as per financial year, which is a previous year. Understood? Let's write down. Now did you understand importance of this Bhagavad Gita? Only this book will contain all these things. It's a super book. Yeah, for chartered accountants in practice, use this every day. Because every question, everyone may not understand in a right way. I told illustrations which are not there in Income Tax Act now. This book will contain every section with illustration. Every section. You write a line, for that line they will give illustration. Because person who write this book is a member of Direct Taxes Committee in the central government. He is a chartered accountant. Clear? But chartered accountant, this is not for CA students. This is for practicing chartered accountant. That's why clearly they will write here. Direct Taxes Law and Practice including Tax Planning, Volume 1. Like this there are 3 volumes totally, same size. This is up to clubbing provision, 64. Next set will be from 64 to 130 or 140 something. After that, from their assessment procedures and international taxation, 3rd module. 3rd one is a bigger one than this. But the point is, once you learn from this, there cannot be any other doubts that can come. Clear? Wherever institute or any other book failed to give illustration, we will take illustrations from this. Clear? Such that clarity will be there throughout the understanding part. Okay. Illustration question have you written? Now write down one thing. Okay. First, can I ask you one question? Previous year 23-24 means what is the assessment year? Huh? Previous year 24-25 means assessment year? Very good. Like that we need to write now. Write down. Schedule. We are writing solution now. Write down solution. Prepare a schedule. Previous year 23-24, assessment year 24-25. Okay. Tell me, what is the income that we need to take Jan to March of 2023? Relevant or not relevant? April to December 2023, relevant, not relevant? Relevant. How much? 42,000. But I need to go till March. So I need to take the next year's 26,000. Okay. Write down. Tell the final answer. 65? 68? Write down. 68,000. Previous year 24-25, assessment year 25-26. Tell. 26,000 has anything to do with it? 26,000 in the 24 year has anything to do with that 24-25 previous year? No. 44,000? Yes. But you should not stop with 44. You should also take the next year's 21,000. Right now. Tell me the values. 40? 44. 40. 4,000 plus 21,000. Please tell the value. 40. Oh, okay. 40. You tell the value correctly, yeah? Then okay. 42,000, 26,000, 44,000, 21,000. I said 42,000 and I have written 44, huh? Then human error here. Okay. That's it. First of all, everyone tell me, understood the logic clearly, books of accounts and taxation year? Yes, Finally, write down. An assessee may follow any year, brackets, may or may not be financial year. An assessee may follow any year as may or may not be a financial year as the accounting year. And maintain the books accordingly. But assessment for the purpose of Income Tax Act shall be only financial year which starts on understood the explanation clearly? So an assessee may follow any year, may or may not be a financial year as an accounting year, and maintain the books accordingly. But assessment for the purpose of Income Tax Act shall be only financial year which starts on 1st April and ends on the 31st March of next year. If you are thorough up to here, we will go to the next one. Okay? Done. Next. So what we completed now? Previous year, assessment year. Interpretation notes la 3 points we completed now. 4th point. Okay? I will ask a question, tell me. Can one person has 2 different previous years in the same year? For example, Kaushik Mukesh can have 2 previous years. Yes. Ade proviso. Read again. That means you did not read. What you see is what not understood. So therefore, please see. Read again. Provided that in case of a business or profession newly set up, yes, till now I am only a faculty. Example, I have business also. Normally, for example, I am taking classes. Suddenly one day I got an idea. Why can't I start a business? I started my own business. But business was started on my birthday, 23rd of August. Okay. Now you answer my question. If I start the business on my birthday being 23rd of August, it started on 1st April. Somewhere in the middle of the year it started or not? My previous years are 2 previous years now. With respect to my faculty, with respect to my teaching profession, for that income, 1st April to 31st March. But with respect to business, it is only from 23rd of August to 31st March of next year. Did you now understand the point clearly? Yes, everyone? Yes, like that. So tell me, can one assessee has 2 previous years in the same year or multiple previous years? Yes, provided there is a new business or profession started or new source of income came into existence. Understood? Yes, sir. Sir, why like this? Question. Why? Why, sir, like this? Doubt will come or not? Listen, I have a question, answer also for this. Tell me. For example, I made a fixed deposit on my birthday. 23rd of August, what I had done? FD I made. Bank will pay interest for the full financial year, starting from 23rd August. Ante interest income on that FD, which income? Income on that FD will be calculated for the full year, will be calculated only from the day on which the source started. That's the reason. Understood the point or not? If you tell that, consider this as 1st April, means all banks should pay interest from 1st April, though I made deposit on 23rd of August. Now did you understand the reason? Yes, so tell me, can a same person has multiple previous years in the same year? Yes. That means from this what you have to understand, one assessee can have multiple previous years provided source of income is coming into existence. Which source? New source. For existing source you cannot have 2 previous years. For existing source you cannot have 2 previous years. But for 2 different sources of income you can have 2 previous years for the same assessee. Understood the point clearly? Okay. See here. Read this point once. Proviso. Provided that in the case of a business or profession newly set up or a source of income newly coming into existence in the said financial year, the previous year shall be the period beginning with the date of setting up of the business or profession, or as the case may be, the date on which the source of income newly comes into existence and ending with the said financial year. Hopefully understood? Yes, everyone? Yes, sir. Ending date is pakka. What is ending date? 31st March. Ending date is? 31st March. But starting date will be considered to be first, the date on which the business or profession is set up, or the new source of income coming into existence. I think you understood the point clearly. Yes, everyone? Yes, on this also we have an illustration. We will do that. But before that, let us write the provision first. Okay, write down. BRP represents what? Business or profession. Completed? If you complete, I have one question. First write down. After that, I will ask one small question on that. With that, full clarity will come. We will have one example also. Shall we continue? Tell me now. Different previous year for different sources, possible or not possible? Different sources, different previous year for different sources, possible, not possible? Generally not possible. All sources will have same previous year. However, when it is possible? When it is possible? In respect of a new business coming into existence or new source of income coming into existence. With respect to that new source, it will start from the date on which it comes into existence, ending with the financial year. What is the reason? I told one example like FD Ray. Another very, very important example shall I tell you. See, during the year, income tax may undergo amendments. During the year, undergo amendments. Okay. For example, I started my business as per our example on which date? In my example, oral example I gave, na? In my example, when my new business started? August. Okay. 21st July. 21st? July, income tax underwent amendment. Okay. Saying that business income, whoever is earning, they have to file a particular form. Previously, before 21st of July, there is another form. Clear? If you tell my financial year will start from, with respect to that business from 1st April, I need to file 2 forms, even though I am not there in existence. Did you understand or not? For all these purposes, they said, since you are not there in existence, why that previous year should be applied on you? Listening? I have one question now. Listen, please listen carefully. My question is, the assessment year, previous year concept you understood, na? What is a previous year, what is an assessment year? Now the next subsequent question on this is, 23rd of August 2024, I started a new business. Tell me, what is my previous year period? 23rd August 2024 to 31st March 2025. Okay? Now tell. Next year, subsequent years, again 23rd August to 31st March. This is available only for the first year when it comes into operation. From the next year onwards, that is one example we need to write. Shall we? Write down. Please write down. keep the heading summary. We will write in the form of a table. Particulars. Particulars, first previous year and subsequent previous years. Okay. You tell me one point with respect to the new source, that is coming into existence. Particulars, what will be the ending date? What will be the ending date? What is the beginning date? Date on which it comes into existence. Date on which it comes into till the now don't write, I will write later, you can copy. Please see here. We are giving this example with respect to new source. With respect to the new source of income, begin, ending, you will tell. Tell me, what is the first previous year beginning with? New business came. My previous year begins with which date? Summary we are writing. Everyone is answering one thing. Date of is heard. Remaining thing illa. Date of what? Date of coming into existence. Okay. Ending. Which year? Same year. Duration? How many months? Less than 12 months. Hey. If for 12 months now, why this discussion? Yeah, nonsense. Duration is how many months? Less than 12 months. Subsequent previous years. Beginning date. Ending. Duration. This is the conclusion. Write down. Write down clearly, please, everyone. I will give one illustration also. Here there is another illustration. Two types of illustrations are given. We will do both. Okay? Two unique illustrations are given. both illustrations. Study material, they didn't give anything, so we will do these to illustrate. Once you complete writing the notes, I will summarize the question. Okay? Now, illustration. Write down. Illustration 1. Hey, write down. Assessee Mr. A. Assessee is Mr. A. Joined into employment on 23rd of August 2024. No other source of income. Write down. Compute the previous year for assessment year 25-26 and 26-27. Have you written the question? First tell me the answer. Tell the basic answer. Who is the assessee? A. When he joined the employment? August 2024. Is there any other source of income? No other source of income. Now tell me, for the previous year, compute the previous year for assessment year 25-26 and 26-27. Tell me, assessment year 25-26, what is the previous year? 24? In 24-25, do I completely have 12 months period of source? Starts on which date? Ending on which date? Very good. Next, for the assessment year 26-27, what is the previous year? 25? Starting from 23rd August 2025. Starting on 1st April 2025, ending with 31st March of 2020. I think everyone understood? Yes, sir. Right on. Solution. Assessment year 25-26. Previous year will be for the assessment year 26-27. (21st March of 2026). Understood the point, everyone? That's it. This is the answer for the given question. Illustration number 1 on this aspect, everyone understood clearly? Yes, next aspect. Illustration 2. I will first read the question for you. Okay, write down. Assessee is Mr. X. Sources of income. Sources of income. Type remarks. Property. From 2005. Until this is existing source of income or this is a new source of income? It is existing source of income or new source of income? Already it is there since how many years? Almost 20 years before itself I have. For example, I am having a commercial property. I am giving it on rent. Every year I will get the property income or not? That is not coming this year. That is coming from 2005. Existing one. Next. Business. March 2024. March 2024. What he is asking? Below write down. Property income. $42,000 per annum. Business income. Rupees 69,000 from from 10th March 2024 to 31st March 2025. Rupees 10,000 is do you understand the question? Finally, he is asking calculate taxable income for assessment year 23-24, 24-25, 25-26. Super question, yeah. That's why I like this book, because if there is no question in any book, this book will definitely give you a right solution by giving you a very good illustration. Read the question first. Read the question properly. First let us theoretically let us answer, then we will put on the paper and write down. Now answer. First, assessment year 23-24. Assessment year? Tell me, assessment year 23-24 means previous year? 22-23. In the previous year 22-23, do I have any business income? No. I have only property income. So tell me, what is my property income? 42,000. First answer completed. Taxable income is 42,000. Next, 24-25. 24? 24? When my new source came into existence? See there and tell ya. 10th March 2024. This is which financial year? Which previous year? 23-24 or 24-25? 23-24 previous year. Correct? Yes, please be here. 23-24 previous year. When my source of income started? For that business income, what is my previous year? Just now we read one question for the business property income is a new income, a new source or existing source. For that, what is my previous year? 1st April 2024 to 2025. Or if you take the previous year, 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. That is a full financial year. But with respect to the business income, what is my previous year? 10th March 2024 to 31st March 2024. 31st March? 2024. During that period, how much income I generated? 10,000. Answer? 10,000. So tell me, for the assessment year 24-25 means previous year 23-24, what is my property taxable income? 42,000. That is per annum. Yeah. Every year same. Rent will change unless and until you increase. Same will come. So property income how much? 42,000 plus 10,000. Totally how much? 52,000 is my taxable income for that previous year. Are you with me, everyone? Yes, sir. Last and final. What is assessment year? Previous year? 24? Now tell me, with respect to my property income, what is my previous year? 24-25. Business income, what is my previous year? 24-25. Totally, what is my revenue? Totally, what is my revenue? What is my taxable income? 42,000 plus 59,000. Why 59,000? In that 69, last previous year income is also included, 10,000. So 59,000 plus 42,000, the total is the taxable income for the previous year, 24-25, also called as assessment year, 25-26. Did you now understand how to solve the answer? Yes, shall you do the answer? Yes, we will complete it, then take a break. Let's complete. First of all, everyone tell me, are you really feeling comfortable in doing the questions? Yes, properly read, understand, write illustrations, because those are not there in your study material, you will get the clarity. See, if the same thing, if I tell in a theoretical way, concept overall you might understand, but technically when numbers come you may not solve. If you do illustrations, then only you will understand income tax. If you don't do numbers and illustrations, now did you understand importance of illustrations? Yes, illustrations, if they don't have, now we can't understand what he really wanted to tell. Now numbers are there, calculations are there, you will have a clarity. Clear? Let us solve this complete. Write down. Assessment year. First write down solution. Write down the format. Assessment year. Assessment year. What are the various incomes that I am having? Property income first. Business income second. Okay, because see here, I clearly said to you, what is the property income every year? 42,000. What is the business income? 69,000. That is not per annum. Business income changes every year. Advanced tax concept, that's why it came. Na? This year it is 69,000, but in that 69, out of which how much is the period between 10th March and 31st March? 10,000. That's what we are going to deduct. Understood the point clearly? Yeah? Right on. So, we are going to write assessment year. Next one, column, property income. Next one, business income. Last column, taxable income. Write down. Taxable income. Shall we continue? Tell the answer and write down. What are the three assessments here he is asking us to calculate in the question? Write down those. 23, 24. First write down this. We will fill. Tell me. 23, 24. What is my property income? Is there any business income? No. What is my taxable income? Okay, va? Continue. Next. Assessment year 24, 25. Previous year will be 23, 24. For the 23, 24, what is my property income? 42,000. Business income for the previous year 23, 24 will be only a period of 21 days. How much is my revenue? 52,000. Okay. Put a star mark here. We will write a note. Next. 25, 26. Property income. Same. $42,000. Next. Business income will be entire 69,000 minus 10,000. How much it will be? 59,000 plus 42 means 1,01,000. Write down. 1. With respect to business income, since it is a new source, completed. Everyone, have you completed? Calculations understood, everyone? Yes, so assessment year 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26. 42,000 same, business income changes. So with respect to business income, since it is a new source, previous year will be from 10th March 2024 to 31st March 2024. Subsequently, it will be full financial year. In 69,000 rupees, 10,000 is the income of whom? Preceding previous year. It's not belonging to that year. So we excluded that. If you are thorough up to here, we will go into the next one. With this, what we completed, can you please explain now? Previous year, along with its proviso also we completed, correct? Yes, this you have to write here. Proviso to section 3. Now did you understand what is Bare Act, how to read? Read Bare Act, then we have to write the solutions for that. So anyway, with this we have done very important two concepts. One, books of accounts versus taxable year. After that, the next one we learnt is different previous years for different sources of income. Is it possible? Yes, possible. For a new source coming into existence. With this, we completed one part in this discussion. Come to the learning objectives once. Direct tax versus indirect tax. Completed a constitutional background. Yes, section 4. Yes, next one, assessment year. Yes, previous year. Yes, completed. Next we completed. That's it. These are the things we completed, correct? Post the break, first we will concentrate on tax rate in relation to the Finance Act. Tax rates in relation to the Finance Act. Those rates we will see. After that, we will be going into one very important area called as accelerated assessment. Which concept? Accelerated assessment. Acceleration means what? Speed up. Speeding up. Generally, this year income, when it become chargeable to tax? Previous year income, when it become chargeable to tax? But I will not do like that. I will make an accelerated assessment when it is a foreign ship coming into India. I told you on day number 1 to you. Those are accelerated assessments. Means I will not wait till the next year. He will jump. Immediately you have to do the payment like indirect tax. Those are called as accelerated assessments, speeding up the collection process. That we are going to see in 172, 174, all these areas we are going to see. Clearer? That is our target for today. We have to complete because there are 6 sections inside that, not one. So 172, 174, 175, 176, 176A, we are going to complete all those sections. So it takes some time, but we will understand with the illustrations. Okay? So take a break and come, we'll continue the remaining parts.